Hello! Today we're gonna learn how to make an origami bird, which looks like this. For this you will need an A4 paper sheet, scissors and a pencil. First, let's make a square out of this paper sheet. This will do by folding one corner up to the line over here. Fold, and this part you will have to cut off. Just like this. This we don't need, so let's keep it aside. Over here you have a nice square, but let's keep it folded as it was. Put it like this, and now let's make another fold. Take this corner and fold it like this. Now open it up, put your fingers inside like this, and try to put this corner, this tip here, so that this would reach those tips over here in the middle. So keep your fingers inside and try to fold it in. This crease over here has to go along the creases over here. Just like this. Fold, fold, fold this back like this. Right here we have two corners like this. The same we will do with the other side. Let's flip it. Take this corner, put your fingers inside and try to fold it the same way so that this tip would come over here. Just like this. Fold and fold. And fold this corner back. By now you should have a square in your hands, which looks like this. Here inside we have it like this. Now keep this loose end towards you, and let's start folding the corners. Take the corner and fold it up to this crease in the middle, like this. Crease. Now do the same on this side with this corner, up to the middle. So that it would look like this. Now flip it and do the same on this side, right up to the middle. This corner as well. After you do this, take the top and fold it by this line over here. This will need to make a crease so that this would help us to fold it later on. Now open it back, open these two wings so that you would have creases over here like this. Now open this corner and push it up to this crease that we just made. Push it up. While you're pushing, try to put these sides, these wings inside, just like this. One and another. Fold it in, straighten it up so that this would become nice diamond shape paper, just like this. Flip it over and do it the same on the other side. Take the corner, push it up to this crease, fold those sides inside, just like this. So now we have this diamond and this corner is fixed while this one is loose. So keep it like this, and now take one corner from here and fold it up to the middle again, just like this. Do the same on this side. Carefully. Once you are done, flip it and do the same on this side as well. Here as well. So here we have this corner fixed as it was before, and here we have loose ends. Those ends we'll use for head and the tail. So I'm gonna make the head first. Take this corner and fold it inside over here. Just like this. It looks like this. It folds in. Take the tip of it and make a head. Just fold it down so that it would become a small head. Now this we will use for the tail. Do the same. Open it up, fold it in, fold it inside. Just like this. So here we have our bird, and now we will take the wings and pull it to the sides. Don't be afraid, pull it more so that we would have a nice bird back over here. Well, as for me, I like the wings a bit rolled, so for this we'll need a pencil. Here you can see how I'm doing it, by rolling it over the pencil. Now let's do the other wing. Like this. So here's our bird.